Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Robinhood $500 challenge, where we try to grow a Robinhood account with $500 in it. So I think it was the last episode I was talking about how I might figure out a way to stop trading sideways.
How can we get myself out of trading sideways like a total loser?
And I'm very proud to let you guys know that I figured out how to do that. I'm a little bit impressed with myself with figuring out how to stop trading sideways so quickly. Donald Trump carpet bombed my portfolio with tariffs. My portfolio is very tech heavy, which means it's very sensitive to tariffs, which means I'm eating a massive chode right now. Donald Trump is literally on the toilet, taking a dump, tweeting this stuff out. There's no way you can see it coming. The only thing you can blame yourself for is not thinking this market can do anything at any moment. That's the scariest part about options, dude. Because if you're long a bunch of options, the moment Donald Trump decides he wants to tweet something, you could be ruined very quickly. Bro, you just can't see this stuff coming. You just got to figure out how to handle it afterwards, both mentally and like as far as trading goes. I forgot my cool little sign. It's kind of ironic now. I feel like the monitor turned itself off because I don't think these two pair very well together. In the money, get there and stay there. Okay, so we're still in the get there part. But this is going to happen. Stocks are going to take a dump. The worst thing you can do right now, unless you're trading options, it's okay to sell options if you're wrong. The worst thing you can do with stocks that have good fundamentals is sell when they take a dump. You want to buy when they take a dump. Don't let Donald Trump taking a dump tweeting about tariffs make your stock portfolio take a dump, and then you take a dump because you're in the dumps, dude. You buy. You average down, you buy good stocks. You take this opportunity to buy good stocks. If you want to hedge on the way down, that's totally cool. You can do call credit spreads, tutorial up in the corner. You can do debit put spreads, tutorial up in the corner again. You could do inverse ETFs like SH, the inverse of the S&P 500, or SPX. The triple leverage inverse ETF of the S&P 500 if you just want to throw some money at it. You just take the opportunity to average down, man. You do you, I do me, howdy doody do. Okay, let's turn this off because it's making me uncomfortable. I feel like the juxtaposition between how I'm feeling and that sign is not good. I also feel like there's too much green. Oh, bro, I know I have these for a reason, man. If I choke and die on this, I honestly probably wouldn't mind. I think this represents how I'm feeling a little better. Let's take a look and see how my picks that I chose in last episode performed. So my first one was JD, and I remember I said something like,
watch this one totally flop, by the way. I'm like stacking up all those bullish indicators and it just flops. Falls over dead.
And guess what, bro? It took a dump. Good thing is I got out very fast. But it was right before Donald Trump tweeted about tariffs, man. I was having a great green day. I was really feeling it. I was like, man, this is the biggest day of the Robinhood $500 challenge. What could go wrong? And so I was looking at my account. I was like up 5%. JD, I was up like $25 or something. I was like, this is great. Got a glass of water, and I came back and everything was, I lost all the gains for the day, but I was down $22 on JD. So I sold. I decided I wasn't comfortable with that. I didn't know where things were headed. So I'm glad I did because things fell like a rock. My next pick was QD, which did exactly what I expected it to do. I bought it right about here, wrote it up here, sold, and I haven't touched it since. Although I wouldn't blame you or me if you or I were to touch it again, because it's still following that kind of channel in the upwards direction. Looks pretty solid, dude. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Low, I got pretty lucky on this one. I bought near the bottom there based on a few technical indicators, and I wrote it up pretty high. I think I sold right around there. I was just, sorry, that's my boy Watson. He's really cute, I promise. I was just happy with my gains, dude. I was looking at it, I was like, it just looks so pretty. I just want to lock them in, and I did. Let's give you, this black screen's boring. Let's give you something to look at. Hey, now we're fitting more of the theme, dude. All right, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, I think I finished my thought on that. Now, I don't know where stocks are headed right now. I'm not that smart. I don't know how, I'm not an economist. I do know technical indicators pretty well, and I have had plenty of time in finance, but there's still so much that I do not know. I cannot tell you where the stock market's going to go. What I can tell you is there's certain methods that help you to be successful, such as averaging down and hedging, that you can totally dive into during times like these and still have fun. And in the long run, you'll make some money. And that's what I'm doing. I've hedged a little bit. I did call credit spread, made about 27, I think almost $30 on that. It's the worst thing you do is let your emotions take control, all right? I'm still poopy. Don't think I'm not poopy. I'm still poopy. I don't like coming to you guys and showing you that I'm back to exactly where I started. That sucks. You know what? I'm up like $5 overall. I've made some money. I haven't lost money, so eat it, haters. I'm playing it pretty low. I have most of my money in long-term positions because I've been averaging down, and I've just been buying more shares over time. So most of my money's in that. Other than that, I'm going to actually play it a little bit. I'm going to be keeping my head down a little bit. Still make videos, but I'm going to keep my head down a little bit because the last thing I want to do is incur a bunch of losses when I've already incurred a bunch of losses, because that messes with my head and my trading's not going to be on point and it's just going to be a mess. So I'm going to keep my cool. I love you guys. And if you're having a rough week like I am, go have a beer. Play a Hotline Miami. Hotline Miami 2. Smoke a J down. I don't know. Your boy Adam is rooting for you. And I've got your back. You want a community you can cry with? Join my Discord. Link in the description. Always plug your stuff, dude. Until next time, when I'm hopefully actually in the money, it's your boy, In the Money. Peace.